Hello, welcome. My name is Regina Garson. Welcome to my video. I'm here to open my second Degustabox. I had one the other day that on a special introductory offer, and after the introductory offer, you always like to see what you get in a regular box. So I have my second Degustabox. It's a nice big box. Now this is a food box, but it's not like the meal boxes. You're not going to get. It's not a meal plan. This is more like Gourmet Treats. It's an international company. It's based out of Spain, and 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 they bill it as a surprise box, and it really is a surprise. You never know exactly what you're going to get. And you get lots of nice goodies and things to try that maybe you haven't tried before. The boxes go for $19.99, and that includes your shipping. And usually, I think they say you get, it works out to maybe $30 worth of merchandise. So when you open the box, it's wrapped in brown paper. The inside of the box looks like this. Let's see. On top, there is a list of what's going to be in the box. It gives you an idea of what you're going to be looking at. This one's got Karma probiotics, some biscuits, Goya biscuits from Spain, green salsa, wisp, chella wisp, barbecue sauce. Anyway, other things. That's just an overview. So you get your list. Then you open your box. Okay. You're gonna have a mixture of a lot of the full size products, but sometimes they'll be sample size. And on top of this, we have kettle corn, sweet and salty. It's by Popcorn, Indiana. This is a small individual size serving. Kettle corn, and I love kettle corn. That'll be yummy. And then we have Deep River Sweet Maui Onion Potato Chips. That'll be nice. That will be real nice. Now, one thing I noticed on the first box, many of these products, and it could be that all of them, but at least a lot of the products are non-GMO, so they tend to go in that direction. Okay, here's one more of the kettle corn, and the kettle corn is by Popcorn, Indiana. There we go. Now, the next is the wisp, and I have to confess on the wisp. I saw this, and the first thing I did is I opened that. I did not wait for the video. I was so bad. The wisp they're cheddar cheese crisp. This is made with 100% cheddar cheese. There is nothing else in it. It's gluten-free, 10 grams of protein, and RBGH-free milk. But as soon as I saw this, honestly, I opened it. I didn't wait. Could have been good. Let me show you what this pure cheese. And yes, it's as good as it sounds. Absolutely. It was worth the box to try this, honest to me. I loved it. Now, they do send full size. When you get the box, the first thing that hit me is this thing's heavier than I expected. Honestly, it was. But this one has a full-size bottle of Karma wellness water. It's blueberry lemonade probiotics, and I take probiotics sometimes too. So this will be good. I'll enjoy trying that. Okay, here we got Goya Maria cookies. These are made in Spain. It's kind of shiny on the film, and I can't wait to try these. On the whole, I like cookies, but on the whole, American style cookies tend to be really, really sweet, and I enjoy the European, I guess they call them biscuits generally, and they're not quite as sweet as ours are over here, and I like them just a little bit better. Anyway, Goya Maria cookies. I think maybe I'll open one of these just to see what we've got. I have a feeling they're going to be very, very nice. Okay. Broke a little bit. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Just to make sure. I think that's going to be pretty good. We'll have to taste test that one again too, just to make sure. Goya biscuits, yum. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Now this is a nice treat. This is another product by Goya. It's salsa verde, green salsa, and I love green salsa. I can't. Excuse me. Let's get it up there so you can see it. I personally can't eat a lot of really hot stuff, but I should be able to handle the green, and at the very least a little bit of it. That'll be very, very good with the Mexican style food. Chips and green salsa, yum. That's a nice size bottle too. It's 17.6 ounces. That's a good size bottle. Okay. Now, this was the one thing, and I almost started to hold off on the video, but what do you do these video for but to show what was in the box? But this product was somewhat damaged. It came to me damaged. It's organic chickpea fusilli. Is that the way you say that? It's a pasta, and it's protein, 11 grams of protein per serving. So I look forward to that. But I hate the fact that the box was damaged. That's not a good thing. But see, it's falling out on the back. It's ripped, and it was in the middle of this box, packed in between all these different things that were all wrapped up, and I really could not even see how it could possibly have been ripped, but it was ripped. But anyway, we'll see. When the other day I was going to make an order, I was sending a gift order through Degusta, and I had a little problem on the putting the order in, so I contacted the customer service, and they got back with me on the next business day and got it all situated. So their customer service seems to be really, really well. But obviously, if you order a food box or a meal box, a subscription box, you want your product to arrive in shape that you can use it. So I will check with their customer service and see what they do. And in the notes under the video, I'll respond back and let you know how they handled the problem with the damaged product. Oh, okay, here we go. Next we have Trail Mix Crunch by Grape Nuts. Now that sounds like that could be pretty good. I like trail mix. I love granola, but I'm going to be honest with you. Back in the day, back in my younger hippie days, we all knew about grape nuts. But what we did is we bought grape nuts and we made bran muffins out of them, and they made the best bran muffins you could ever imagine. But I never actually ate the cereal, but I made a lot of muffins out of grape nuts. I have not seen this though. This cereal has got cranberries. It's got grape nut cereal, puffed barley, granola, and vanilla. And it's got, each serving has 9 grams of protein, 5 of fiber, and 30 grams of whole grain. So it sounds like this is going to be really good for you, a real good for you kind of food. And that's the one thing I like about the Degustabox is I like the fact you get to try gourmet things, but they tend toward on the healthy side and wholesome foods and wholesome ingredients. So I'm going to look forward to that. Okay, and what else? Okay, now this really excited me to see this because I like grill season in Alabama, and this is Rufus Teague honey sweet barbecue sauce. I've never seen this before, but I have a feeling it's going to be worth a try. It's going to be worth it to fire up the grill to see what this is like. Let's see. Okay, I guess you can see that. Rufus Teague. It sounds good. It sounds real good. It's also non-GMO. And when I was a kid, my daddy was the honey guy in the neighborhood. So everybody, he kept bees, and if anybody in the neighborhood wanted honey, they'd be knocking on our door looking for honey. So I guess I'm a honey snob. I know good honey when I taste it, and I'm looking forward to this barbecue sauce. Okay, let's see. Okay, the last thing. What in the world? It looks like taffy. Okay, put this to the side. See if I can get where you can see it. Golden Ticket. Zollipops Fruity Taffy. And it's got a coupon in there. It says, get one for a bag of Zollipops. And this is, what is Zollipops though? It's taffy. Okay. Zollipops and Zaffy Taffy are the delicious after-you-eat treat for a healthy smile. Created by a 12-year-old kidpreneur, Alina Morris. How very cool. Clean teeth candy. Look at that. Very, very cool. Okay, I think you can see that. As good as I can get it, you can see it. Okay, that's it. That's it for the box. If you like the video, click underneath and give it a thumbs up. I sure do like those thumbs up. And you can subscribe to the video. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll be back later with more unboxing videos. Until later, goodbye.